Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Amazfit GTS2 Mini. We unboxed the GTS and GTR before, now we have the Mini version and we will see what benefits we have from this watch. In today's video we will test this watch, we will see what we have in the software, new things, and in the next video we will show you how to connect it with Android and iOS. So let's go ahead see what we got in this device. In the new Amazfit GTS2 Mini, we have 1.55-inch AMOLED display with more than 50 watch faces and a lot of options like Alexa, which is new in this watch, and we have more than 17 sports in the software that we will test later. Also, we have health caring like blood pressure, blood oxygen, cycle tracking for the latest, sleep quality, stress, breathe, exercise, etc. And we will try all of that in this video, so stay tuned and see what we got. You can see the package is normal like Amazfit Now and other Amazfit devices that we had here. The package itself includes the user manual. As you can see, it's very good packed. We have different languages, same as in the watch and in the user manual, so everyone could understand it. Very good from the Amazfit. Next in the box we have the charger at the top. You can see is the same charger that we had for the GTS2, GTS and Amazfit BEP-U. And the GTS2 Mini, as you can see, wrapped up for protection. Very good design and very good materials, all like always from the Amazfit. Let's power it on and see what we got. As you can see, it powers on immediately. The AMOLED display from Amazfit never disappoints you. We have here a couple of options in the taskbar: time, date, percentage of battery. We have do not disturb brightness, alarm clock, and the settings. Now that we have the brightness all the way up, we can check out in details. We have here a few options from the watch faces that we can change, and we can download more. Down we have notification, in the right we have activity goal, heart rate, blood pressure, we have stress, PAI, weather, music control, Alexa that we can activate, and that's it. If you press the button you enter the menu where we can find activity goal, PAI, heart rate, sleep, workout history, blood oxygen, stress, breathing, cycle tracking, alarm, settings, and more. In more we will find weather, Alexa, music, countdown, stopwatch, PMI tracker, world clock, compass, etc. So let's begin with some tests here in the menu, starting from the heart rate, which we can see. We press measure. It says to wear the watch tightly and keep still, and the result for the heart rate will look like this. As you can see, it says relaxed, so we got a normal heart rate. In the workout we'll find outdoor running, treadmill, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, walking, pool swimming, open water swimming, rope skipping, yoga, free exercise, rowing machine, elliptical training, climbing, outdoor trekking, badminton, and we got more sports. If you remember, in the beginning we said that we have more than 70 sports in this watch, and you can see right here we got every single sports that you think in here, so go ahead and search in case you need anything. You can see we have the time at the top, seconds going underneath, duration, distance, pace, and heart rate with zone, stride frequency, calories, and average pace, heart rate diagram, average and highest, also the diagram here, pace diagram same as before, and that's it. In the right we have the music control, which we have to allow first in the app. In the left we have the option to finish the session or pause it. Under the workout we will find the blood oxygen. As you can see, 3-second countdown. It says remain still, and this is how the percentage of blood oxygen will look like. Now we have the real percentage of oxygen. The measurements has stopped. Next we have stress, which is one of the options in the newest Amazfits. you can see it will go through the circle, and it will give you a result in the end. Next, we have the breathing. Also, as I always say, all these data will be saved in the app for us later to check out what we did. As you can see, breathing is another exercise to help us reduce stress and lower our heart rate and blood pressure. You can see you have to inhale and exhale like it says, and the result will be in a minute. This is how the result will look like. As you can see, it says keep relaxed, 1 minute method. Also, we have the cycle tracking for the ladies so they can use it, and we got here a few settings that we can try. The Alexa that we have to allow in the app, music control that we, as I said before, we have to allow in the app, and then we can use it. As you can see, go to profile in the app and grant the permission for this. So now that music that is playing in the phone, we can raise and lower the volume and skip the song, pause it, etc. So basically this is all the main option that we have in the GTS2 Mini. This is the Pomodoro tracker. Also, we have the compass, which we have to calibrate in the circle motion. After it calibrates, it vibrates. Now that it's working, we can see and use it. So basically this is all that we have in the GTS2 Mini. Guys, thank you very much for your time and support. If you find this video interesting and helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.